Happy New Year, everybody. This is Brett with Monarch Capital on January 7th, 2014. I'm still trying to get used to saying that. Want to give a quick rate update to kind of show you how the year's starting off here. Again, this is a bond chart, so it's a little counterintuitive. Each vertical line represents a day. As the lines go up, rates go down. As the lines go down, rates go up. So you can see rates have been climbing up, up, up for about the past 3 months. Now, since late December, we've been mostly moving sideways. You can kind of see, and even, I guess you can make a case that since early December, we've been moving sideways. I think that's very fascinating. Basically, I think what's happening is the market is really trying to digest which way things are headed. There's a lot of uncertainty right now, and so we're trading in this band. Now, the trend has not been our friend. So when we've seen these little spurts of going flat, we tend to come down a little bit. Even here we were flat, came down, flat, came down. So the trend certainly appears to be against us, and that rates would go up. There is a contrarian sort of way of thinking that says, hey, things really are not getting better. As the Fed backs off stimulus, we're going to see a contraction. Some of this data, that shows growth was about, running up inventories and so forth that consumers aren't buying. So there's a case to be made that rates may come down, but the bottom line is we're in a somewhat vulnerable position. Rates are still historically low. If you look at it in the context of where we've been over the past couple of years here, you can see that we are definitely not at the best levels, and yet, we all know how much worse it can get and how fast. Look at how fast we dropped from essentially the threes, the mid threes to the mid to high fours. That happened within really a month's time. So it's not a time to be content. It's not a time to necessarily twiddle your thumbs. If you act now, you can always refi later if rates were to precipitously drop, to everyone's surprise and chagrin. So if you have any questions, let us know. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.